The development of a fruit without fertilization is called answer parthenocarphae. Methane is a colorless, odorless, non-toxic but flammable gas. What is its common name? Answer marsh gas. Which part of the body is responsible for the manufacture of red blood cells? Answer bone marrow. Jellyfish are an example of which type of phylum? Answer phylum Cnidaria. Xerophthalmia is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin. Answer vitamin A. Planetary scientists call the thin gaseous envelope around the moon as the answer lunar exosphere. In biological terms, dash is a relationship between two organisms in which one organism benefits and the other is unaffected. Answer commensalism. Dash expansion makes the Eiffel Tower taller during summers. Answer thermal. Calcium sulfate dihydrate is commonly known as dash. Answer gypsum. Which of the following is not a part of the brain? Answer pinna. Lucifer is another name for the planet Venus. The dash helps in equalizing the pressure on either sides of the eardrum. Answer Eustachian tube. 1 horsepower equal to approximately dash watts. Answer 746 watts. Which of the following is the major component of vinegar? Answer acetic acid. Which of the following is not a vertebrate? Answer snail. Objects that shine in the night sky are known as answer celestial bodies. Which of the following glands is present between the lungs? Answer thymus. When we cut an onion, the synthesis enzyme converts the amino acid sulfoxides of the onion into which acid? Answer sulfonic acid. Which law of physics states that the force between the two electric charges reduces to a quarter of its former value when the distance between them is doubled? Answer Coulomb's law. Name the physicist who is credited with the discovery of the neutron. This 1932 discovery lead to his winning the Nobel Prize. Answer James Chadwick. Which of these bones is not a part of the human ear? Answer femur. Which of these words refers to the scientific study of domestic dogs? Answer cynology. Red worms have a structure named dash which helps them in grinding their food. Answer gizzard. Hemophobia is the fear of dash. Answer blood. Crocodiles have a dash chambered heart. Answer 4. Which of the following is an inert gas most commonly found in light bulbs? Answer argon. Snails belong to phylum. Answer Mollusca. Which of the following is the lowermost layer of the atmosphere? Answer troposphere. Pedology is the science of dash. Answer soil. Which among the following is a non-biodegradable waste? Answer plastic. Constantine is an alloy of copper and dash. Answer nickel. What does C stand for in ITCZ? Answer convergence. How many molecules of ATP are obtained by the respiration of one molecule of glucose? Answer 2. The rating for fuse used in a household electric circuit is provided on the basis of answer current. What is the yellow dust present in the middle of a flower? called? Answer: pollen. Protium, deuterium and tritium are the naturally occurring isotopes of? Answer: hydrogen. In which of the following is citric acid present? Answer: lemon. Deficiency of which of the following vitamins causes night blindness? Answer: vitamin A. Dash are called the powerhouses of the cell. Answer: mitochondria. 2 is a unit of dash. Answer: pressure. What is the bond angle in degrees in the structure of a benzene molecule? Answer: 120. Which of the following is the outermost solid part of the earth? Answer: crust. How many carbon and hydrogen atoms are there in propane respectively? Answer: 3 and 8. Name the densest stable element known on earth. Answer: osmium. What is the velocity of sound in air? Answer: 343 meter per second. Which of the following is caused by a virus named Varicella zoster? Answer: chickenpox. Which of the following is used for removing permanent hardness of water? Answer: washing soda. Which of the following can be diagnosed with the Weddell test? Answer: typhoid fever. Who discovered cells in the human body? Answer: Robert Hooke. The scientific study of a cell is called? Answer: cytology. The power of a lens is minus 2.0 D. Here D stands for? Answer: diopter. Which among the following is a caution? Answer: ammonium. Which among the following is not an insulator? Answer: mercury. Which among the following has its refractive index closest to that of crown glass? Answer: Canada balsam. What is the atomic mass of zirconium? Answer: 91.22. Who among the following scientists invented Kevlar? Answer: Stephanie Lucy Wolk. Which of the following has the lowest melting point? Answer: zinc. Which of the following is used to remove the green color from glass? Answer: manganese dioxide. How many types of isotopes does scandium have? Answer: 13. Name the only metal that is antibacterial. Answer: copper. Which of the following is a natural flame retardant? Answer: DNA. Which of the following is the primary sex organ in females? Answer: ovary. Which of the following acid is not present in grapes? Answer: acetic acid. Which of the following is used to control pest fish? Answer: pesticides. Which of the following is used to as a substitute of mercury in thermometers? Answer: Gallenstein. Who among the following scientists invented the cotton gin? Answer: Eli Whitney. Which of the following is also known as Epsom salt? Answer: magnesium sulfate. Dash are homogeneous mixtures of two or more components. Answer: solutions. Which of the following is not an ore of iron? Answer: cuprite. Which of the following can be used as a catalyst in hydrogenation reaction? Answer: palladium. Pernicious anemia is caused by the deficiency of vitamin? Answer: B12. Sauropody is a branch of science related to which part of the body? Answer: feet. Name the law in physics which states that equal volume of all gases under the same conditions of temperature and pressure contain equal number of molecules. Answer: Avogadro's law. What is the color of the light emitted by the sun? Answer: white. Who is the only scientist in the world to have won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry twice? Answer: Friedrich Sanger. When does the entire Earth experience equal days and nights? Answer: day of equinox. What is the name of the phenomena in physics and astronomy which involves the splitting of a spectral line into two or more components of slightly different frequency when the light source is placed in a magnetic field? Answer: Zeeman effect. Which of the following is an Indian research station in the Antarctica region? Answer: Maitree. The American scientist Edwin Hubble's name is associated with which of these theories? Answer: the Big Bang theory. What is the name of the phenomena driven by the scattering of light in which mountain tops acquire rosy or orange hue around sunrise and sunset? Answer: alpenglow. Which of these is the energy conversion that happens in the process called photosynthesis? Answer: light energy to chemical energy. Rusting of iron is an example of? Answer: corrosion. Dash gas gives an orange glow when electricity is passed through it. It is generally used in fluorescent lighting. Answer: neon. Somatotropin is another name for? Answer: tear gas. Which one of the following is an X-linked receives disorder caused by the deficiency of functional plasma clotting factor 8 F8, which may be inherited or arises from spontaneous mutation? Answer: Hemophils A. What is the SI unit of electrical resistance? Answer: ohm. Which part of the human body gets affected by the illness called osteoporosis? Answer: bones. Which of the following instruments is used for the visual examination of eardrum? Answer: otoscope. Which is the largest bone in the human body? Answer: femur. What is the SI unit of pressure? Answer: Pascal. A non-electronic conductor is? Answer: mercury. Which of the following has the highest protein content per gram? Answer: soybean. Which hormone leads to the expulsion of milk from the breast during suckling? Answer: prolactin. Which cells in our body are popularly called soldiers of the human body? Answer: white blood cells. Which of the following plants is carnivorous? Answer: Venus flytrap. What is the natural color of litmus paper? Answer: purple. What is the SI unit of torque? Answer: Newton meter. Tears in the eyes are produced by which of the following glands? Answer: lacrimal gland. Who among the following discovered the circulation of blood? Answer: William Harvey. Which of the following is the vector of malaria? Answer: Anomalous mosquito.